Carla, I've been following 4 daycare fraud investigations from the beginning. The cases each closed without any criminal charges filed. The Bureau of Criminal Apprehension partially blames the Department of Human Services for not fully helping them, and now 2 of the daycare owners are suing because their businesses had to close permanently during the 4-year investigation, and they claim the state discriminated against them because they're Somali.
These photos were taken in August 2022 during a search warrant executed by the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension inside a Minneapolis Somali-owned daycare where they expected to find proof of fraud. Sunshine Child Care Center was located in a building behind the storefront on Lake Street. According to BCA reports, Sunshine had received more than $9 million in taxpayer-funded child care assistance program money since it was first licensed to serve up to 48 children 11 years earlier. And a DHS investigator referred the case to the BCA because they suspected fraud.
The initial tip claimed that the owner, Fausia Hassan, would only hire employees who had 5 or more children. This kind of allegation is known to investigators, where mothers will essentially watch their own children at a daycare and get paid with taxpayer money. But investigators here also claim to find evidence of overbilling.
According to the police reports, the daycare claimed to serve twice as many kids as it actually did while being surveilled.
Did your clients fudge the numbers and get reimbursements for more kids than they were actually caring for?
No. And if they had, they'd be really foolish to be doing this, right?
Attorney Jason Steck filed a lawsuit on behalf of Hassan and another daycare owner the BCA investigated at the same time, Abdi Kadar Muhammad. They both claim state investigators discriminated against them because they are Somali.
There's no indication that any other child care centers owned by any other group was targeted even for investigation.
KARE 11 has reviewed full BCA reports from the Sunshine Daycare investigation and 3 other Twin Cities Somali-owned daycares. All 4 of them were closed without filing charges. And in 3 out of the 4, the BCA partially pins the blame on DHS, the agency that first referred the cases, for not sharing needed documents with investigators. The agent writes, quote, DHS advised they would not provide any of the requested documents because they would be acting as an arm of the BCA.
So why did DHS not provide those documents? Well, the Department of Children, Youth, and Families has since taken over oversight of daycares. They provided me a response to that allegation saying, quote, state agencies work collaboratively to fight fraud in Minnesota. In doing so, agencies are vigilant in how they collect and share data to avoid jeopardizing prosecution. Carla, and that federal lawsuit is active right now. The daycare owners who are suing, there is a motion to dismiss it that a judge is currently considering, but that case is currently active.
So complicated, but thank you so much, Lou, for asking those hard questions and getting both sides on this ongoing controversy. Thank you again.
Absolutely.